The people of Jammu and Kashmir, on both sides of the line of control and across the world, will observe Jammu's Martyrs Day on November 6 to reaffirm their resolve to continue the struggle for the UN-recognized right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, the day marks one of the darkest chapters in Kashmir's history, when hundreds of thousands of Muslims were massacred by the forces of Dogra ruler Maharaja Hari Singh, Indian Army and armed RSS extremists in different parts of the Jammu region as they were migrating to Pakistan during the first week of November 1947. Every year, Kashmiris commemorate November 6 as Jammu Martyrs Day to honor those who laid down their lives resisting the genocidal campaign unleashed to change the demographic composition of Jammu. In Azad Jammu and Kashmir, protest rallies, anti-India demonstrations and special prayer meetings will be held in all 10 districts and major towns as well as in various parts of Pakistan to pay homage to the martyrs. Meanwhile, leaders of all Party Hurriyat Conference, they have paid glowing tribute to the Jammu Martyrs, describing their sacrifices as a guiding light for the oppressed people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The leaders said that on this day, the Kashmiri people would renew their pledge to continue the freedom struggle until they achieve their right to self-determination. They maintained that despite decades of Indian oppression, the Kashmiris remain steadfast in their resolve, and the day is not far when their sacrifice will bear fruit. They urge the international community to take cognizance of India's brutality in IIOJK and play its due role in ending the occupation and ensuring justice for the oppressed Kashmiri people.